Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This painting was painted in advance. I'm on a little holiday break now, but I didn't want to leave the channel lit for too long. We'll be a little slow in the replies and such, and I'll catch up on your videos when I'm back. When I was painting this, I had a Christmas shopping scene in mind. Cold and grey with the lights to keep you warm. I used to love shopping the week before Christmas, walking a marathon in Macy's and Bloomingdale, or hoping to catch the first snowfall while window shopping along Fifth Avenue, feeling like a main character in a chick lit novel. But it's a long time by now, haven't seen snow in years since I've moved to a tropical country, and I've been converted to a digital shopper. Hence, I've not experienced the magic of physical retail stores in a while either. Large crowds give me a headache now, but I'm not going to be a Debbie Downer for this video. It's about the magic of Christmas shopping and the wistful, nostalgic year-end sentiment. I toned down on the bouquet lights for this painting as I wanted to add snow. I was a little wary about cluttering too many things on this cityscape, losing the essence of a tinge of loneliness and hope amidst the cold concrete. Of course, I had to add a flower in the foreground for a touch of whimsicality. I hope you'll like this painting. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
ein Tipsy-Tapsy-Style.